Now, some prospects that you may all be hugely excited for, or you certainly should be if you're not yet, is the chance of potentially seeing a rain dance performed by James. Maybe even Brian is going to get involved. And why don't you guys get over onto his vehicle and try and urge him to pull this off. Good luck, and I hope he does it.
Well, everybody, it was asked for, and Brian and I felt that we should deliver. So here on my telephone, we have recorded an original song. It is, well, it's now how old? It's probably...
Couple of minutes
old. Here we go. It's got 8 parts to it, mostly Brian, some of me. Here we go. This is for the rain.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Thank you. Well done. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Right. I think we'll carry on now. There's a stony silence from the final control. Okay. Right. That's our song. Okay. We're also, of course, uploading the soundtrack to our video that we're going to hopefully post by 7:30. That is the idea. Okay. Everybody exhausted. Alright, we're going to go past the Juma Dam.